First, take down the old door. If you don't have old doors that need to be removed, you can skip this step. Get all the screws out first. Then drill the wall and remove the door frame. Now let's install the new door. If you have one of these on your wall, you need to cut off the part of the door frame that's stuck into the wall. What if you don't have anything on your walls? You can skip this step. When you fit the door into the hole in the wall, remember to pad the bottom of the door with wooden blocks and use a gradienter to make sure the door is perpendicular to the floor. Next, drive the screws into the door frame. Like this. If hit the steel bar, you can hold the screw like this. Install the door handle. Now install the smart locks. Fill the gaps with cement. Test whether the smart lock can be used normally. If our video is helpful to you, please give us some likes. Follow us. Timely access to the door product video updates. See you next time.